Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best bass guitar 4-string beginner can buy, the Ibanez GSR200PW GSR200 in Pearl White. Whether you're stepping into the world of bass or looking to upgrade from your first rig, this guitar brings pro-level features to entry-level players without breaking the bank. At first glance, the Ibanez GSR200PW is stunning. The pearl white finish gives it a sleek and stylish look that stands out under stage lights just as much as it does in your bedroom or studio. But this bass is not just about looks, it's packed with features that deliver both tone and playability. Let's start with the construction and materials. The body is crafted from a mix of agathis and basswood, giving it a lightweight feel without sacrificing resonance. Whether you're practicing for hours or playing long gigs, your back and shoulders will thank you. The neck is made of maple, known for its stability and smooth playability, while the rosewood fretboard offers warmth and comfort under your fingers. Add to that the pearl dot inlays, and you've got an instrument that feels premium at every touchpoint. Dimension-wise, it measures about 47 inches long, with a slim body that makes it manageable for younger or smaller players. But don't let the size fool you, this bass packs serious power. Now, let's talk electronics. The GSR200 features both a split coil and single coil pickup configuration, allowing you to blend tones to suit your style. Want a thick, punchy low end for rock or funk? Done. Prefer a cleaner, snappier tone for jazz or pop? It's right there at your fingertips. This versatility makes it an ideal first bass for beginners still discovering their tone. One of the standout features here is Ibanez's FAT2 EQ system. This onboard active bass boost gives you an instant thump in the low end without needing fancy pedals or amp settings. It's especially handy for beginners who may not have a full effects rig yet, allowing you to sculpt your sound directly from the instrument itself. The nickel strings included out of the box are smooth to the touch, reducing finger fatigue while you're building calluses. Tuning stability is impressive as well, making it easier for new players to focus on learning instead of constantly retuning. Another great touch is the ergonomic design. The contoured body hugs your torso naturally, and the neck profile is slim enough for small hands to navigate easily. This kind of comfort really helps when you're just starting out and practicing for long stretches. Let's not forget the price. While it varies by seller, you can find new models starting as low as $183 and going up depending on color and seller packaging. That's incredible value for a bass that delivers this level of build quality and tonal flexibility. It competes with instruments well above its price point. To sum it up, the Ibanez GSR200PW GSR200 is a true beginner's best friend. It looks stunning, plays smooth, sounds massive, and feels comfortable, all the key ingredients for inspiring hours of practice and performance. If you're a new bassist looking for a solid, stylish, and affordable entry into the world of music, this is a top contender you won't regret. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to start your bass journey or know someone who is, definitely check out the Ibanez GSR200 in Pearl White. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what gear you'd like us to review next.